Is Neon Bank reliable? It's a question you've probably asked yourself if you're exploring the world of digital banking in Switzerland. With a sleek app, no-fee promises, and a modern approach, Neon looks incredibly appealing. But when it comes to your money, a slick interface and cool branding are great, but they're not a substitute for security and stability. So, let's cut through the noise. Can you trust Neon with your hard-earned cash? This is a crucial question, because for many of us, this isn't just about a secondary account for a few small transactions. This is about our primary banking relationship. And that relationship has to be built on a foundation of trust. So, let's dig into what truly makes a bank reliable and see how Neon measures up. First, let's address the most fundamental question: is Neon a bank at all? The answer might surprise you. Technically, no. Neon doesn't have its own banking license. But before you close this video, hear me out. This is actually a key part of its reliability. Neon partners with a fully licensed and regulated Swiss bank, Hypothekarbank Lenzburg. This means that while Neon handles the user-facing side of things, the app, the features, the customer service, your money is actually held by a traditional, established Swiss bank. This is an incredibly important distinction. It gives you the best of both worlds, the modern, user-friendly experience of a fintech, with the rock-solid security and regulation of a traditional bank. This partnership is what allows Neon to offer Swiss deposit insurance, a major pillar of its reliability. Your deposits are protected up to 100,000 Swiss francs, just like they would be at any other Swiss bank. This protection is a safety net that means even in the highly unlikely event that Neon itself were to go bankrupt, your money is legally separate and safe with Hypothekarbank Lenzburg. This is a critical factor that sets Neon apart from some other digital finance apps that might not offer the same level of protection. Next up, let's talk about security in a more technical sense. How does Neon protect your data and your transactions? They use two-factor authentication, a standard in modern banking that ensures only you can access your account from your phone. They also utilize advanced encryption protocols for all data transmission and storage, keeping your personal information and financial details safe. On top of that, you can manage your card directly from the app, with the ability to freeze it instantly if it's lost or stolen. The combination of these security measures, coupled with the underlying stability of their partner bank, creates a highly secure environment for your money. What about user experience? Do customers feel that Neon is reliable? The reviews speak for themselves. On both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store, Neon consistently receives high ratings, with a strong emphasis on its user-friendliness, competitive fees, and overall reliability. Users appreciate the simplicity of the app and the transparency of the pricing. However, a few reviews do mention occasional app stability issues, particularly around peak times like salary day. While these seem to be the exception rather than the norm, it's worth being aware that a purely digital bank can sometimes be more susceptible to these kinds of temporary service interruptions. The good news is that these outages have not compromised user funds. Finally, let's put it all together. Is Neon Bank reliable? When you combine the security of Swiss deposit insurance, the stability of its traditional banking partner, Hypothekarbank Lenzburg, and the robust security features built into its app, the answer is a resounding yes. While it might not have the physical branches or centuries-old history of a big bank, Neon has strategically leveraged a partnership to provide a modern banking experience without compromising on the fundamental safety and reliability that everyone expects from a financial institution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.